Changing the rubber does not require removing the wiper from the arm. The rubber can only be removed from the bottom side of the wiper. Carefully pull the rubber out of the frame. Prepare the new rubber. Cut the rubber into the required length. The length should be the same as the old rubber. Gently insert the new rubber into the wiper frame.